Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Some contractors hired on the show have even donated time, materials, and labor to help homeowners in need. The remainder of the work is funded by the TV production company, but in some cases, Mike Holmes personally contributes funds towards the repairs.
Take our lead.
He was sued by the former CEO of his own company. Television may give the impression that everything in Mike Holmes' world is picture perfect, but according to a 2014 lawsuit, his company faced serious problems. 19 September 2017.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Sherry Holmes Tumor. In the year 2002, while Sherry was still a child, she was diagnosed with a brain tumor that was detected by CT scan. Within a week, doctors performed life-saving surgery on Sherry Holmes' tumor. 20 April 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
In addition, Mike appeared in reality TV series, including Holmes Makes It Right, Holmes, The Next Generation, Holmes and Holmes, Holmes on Holmes, and Holmes Makes It Right, Retooled. Therefore, professional contractor Mike Holmes Jr. has an estimated net worth of $2 million. 23 November 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
While HGTV doesn't fund the renovations, they do pay for one big-ticket item. To top it off, the homeowners aren't required to pay Chip and Joanna for their design services, since HGTV covers the talent fee. This means they get a full-blown renovation and pay only for the furniture, so it's a pretty solid deal. 26 August 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.